welcome back to my channel, Cheries vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make avocado smoothie. So let's start. So one avocado, I'm just gonna slice this in half. So we're just gonna chop this in half. We'll put the avocado, 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, ice cube, and then this is ready to just gonna pour this here. So now we're gonna try our avocado smoothie. This is really perfect because it's summertime, so you can prepare this at your home. So let's try. This is really good. It's really good, guys. So I hope you can try this at your home, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.